Hey everybody, welcome back to Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing buffalo chicken sliders. It also makes a great dip as well. Good for any party, Super Bowl, any event. So you're going to start off with 2 chicken breasts and you're going to trim them up as best you can, get all that fat and gunk off of them. And while I'm doing that, please a quick reminder to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. I really appreciate it. So once we have our chicken breasts cleaned up, I'm going to sous vide them. So I'm just going to throw them into a bag, seal it, toss them into the sous vide at 165 for about 2 hours. Makes them super tender, super clean. If you don't have a sous vide, you can just slowly saute them in butter and olive oil on a low heat because you don't really want it to brown too much because that'll make it a little tougher. Once it's all done cooking, let it cool a little bit, and then we're going to rip it into bigger pieces, or smaller pieces, and toss into our KitchenAid. If you've never done this before, the KitchenAid makes a great shredder. Put the paddle in, turn it on, and after a few minutes, you're going to have perfectly shredded chicken breast, just like at a deli. That's what you're looking for right there. Alright, we're going to set that to the side, get our crock pot out, throw in 1 8-ounce of cream cheese, 1 stick of butter, and 2 cups of Frank's Red Hot sauce. I have the crock pot set on low heat. Half a cup of dry ranch dressing. Put the lid on, let that go for about 30 minutes. Everything starts to heat up and melt. Cream cheese needs a little help, so we'll get our wooden spoon and give it a good mix. Now, after about 20 minutes, we're going to add our chicken. That's why you want to shred it. It just perfectly makes it perfect for the dip. So we'll get that chicken in there, mix it up, put the lid on for another 30 minutes. Then we're going to come back to the crock pot, take the lid off, and I've got 2 cups of Sargento shredded cheddar cheese. Put that right in there, mix that up, let that go for about another 20 minutes till it's nice and melted, and then you're ready to go. I've just got some pretzel buns from Hawaiian Bread Company. I put a sweet spicy pickle from Dave's Barbecue on each one. Then a little scoop of the buffalo chicken. Throw the tops on them, and you've got your sliders.